Welcome to the tutorial series for ProNest. We are going to start the tutorial off with some basic operations of the software. So when you open up ProNest, this is what you're going to see. So basically, to keep it simple for this video, what we're going to do is just add a basic shape and output the file ready for the CNC machine. So first thing we want to do is always add a part into our parts list. So on the top left you can see we've got edit parts list. So we're going to click this, and you can see that we're met with all these preset shapes. So for example, for this video we're going to just do a simple bolt hole rectangle. So it's this part here, and basically you want to double click, and you then want to put in the dimensions on the specific characteristics of that part. So for example, you can change this value to 250. We can make the holes a bit smaller. You can make the edge distance a bit larger. So there's loads of different things you can do on that shape. So let's just say we're happy with that and we want quantity 1 at the moment. We can hit OK. If we want just the one part, we can return to nesting and hit the green button up here. And you can see our plate is added. So this is our sheet and this is our part. So our part is after being added. And if we wanted to just do that and nothing else, we can just change our materials, make sure that we're set to the correct material. So let's just say 5mm mild steel. We can hit OK, reapply leads, and simply just press the output button up here and rename the file. So test123, and we just hit output. After you hit output here, your G-code file will be created, and that's the file that you'll actually take onto your CNC machine, and you can actually run that file directly.